Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying model and firmware so parts match. This saves time and prevents damage. Once confirmed, power down and disconnect all power and network cables to avoid shorts. Make sure you're grounded with an ESD strap and clear workspace. Assemble precision screwdrivers, a multimeter, replacement sensors or connectors, and lint-free swabs. Follow safety steps because small electrostatic discharges or live testing can ruin components. Now open the case and keep screws organized as you access the internal board. You now perform a methodical inspection. Look for burnt traces, swollen capacitors, or misaligned fingerprint optics because these are common failure points. Once done, use a multimeter to check continuity, measure voltage rails, and verify sensor output signals so you know what to swap. If a connector is loose, reseat it. If a pad has cracked solder, reflow it carefully. Replace only the defective modules to save costs, and document changes so you can reverse steps if a new fault appears. You finish by reassembling the device in reverse order, keeping screws and shields in their original locations and torquing to spec to avoid stress. Then reconnect power and network. Run the device's diagnostics and perform enrollment with multiple test prints or scans to validate sensor accuracy. If readings are off, consult logs and swap a known good module to isolate the issue and make sure firmware matches hardware revisions. If problems persist, restore firmware or consult vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.